Monday. It's the 1st of June. How's it going? Let's do a under 5 minute stock market review. Boy, do I have a lot to talk about. This Google Sheets, Google Finance formula file that pulls in current stock data and a bunch of other information. When you look at it over here about market cap, about cap size, about percent traded for the day, the volume, previous day, some notes I got over here. I've gone through 50% of like a list that was 2,800 stocks in the beginning, and I just keep doing more every day. And let's talk about what we've learned today. So, biggest winners of the day. Uh, there isn't much here in the top 10 that I would mess around with, except for this DigiGrad Corporation because they have a mobile diagnostic thing, which we're all going to have to do this like telehealth or take samples from home type thing when it comes to testing for COVID and God knows what else. But their financials are weak, so I really don't like anybody in this big list here. I mean, what was up today? There was a good deal of healthcare, biotech, anybody who's got a Novavax, who's been going up for a while. Anybody who's talking vaccines who could potentially have something, we're throwing money at it because we know that that's worth so much to get us out and about and not at home and not in fear of contracting a deadly virus just by going out and conducting normal business. I got a haircut today, wore a mask, person wore a mask. There was a point where she like pulled my mask off a little bit to get around my ear and my breath was exposed and she was right there and I was like, if she's got a little coronavirus in her, it's coming over this way. We just got to be able to deal with minimized exposures of this stuff, whether it's vitamin D or taking Pepsid or all these other crazy things that we don't know if doctors will approve yet or not. Something needs to be done because we have to go back out to living. So you see a lot of money getting thrown in this general direction. Avis, Car, they seem to be recovering strong. TripAdvisor, a lot of get back to normal businesses seem to be looking pretty good. Well, what about the biggest losers for the day? Oh, ABO. This is one where they have a potential clotting treatment for COVID. They're super volatile. I actually own some shares of ABIO. To see them as the biggest loser of the day tugs at my heartstrings because we talked about them in the last video. They're crazy volatile. I'm holding on to it. I don't know if it's going to work. I just know that when it comes to treating people, the faster you get this stuff out there and get your trials done and deal with the blood disorder part of it, whether it's messing around with angiotensin 2 or angiotensin 1.7, if you watch any medical videos about what's going on in our system. Uh, anyway, we'll hold this. This is going to be crazy volatile. Expect it to go up or down multiple percentages every other day. Hertz down again, still bouncing around bankruptcy Tuesday morning, down again. Right? These names that are not going to make it. I saw some banks in here. I saw thrifts and mortgages. Watch out for insurance with all these riots and business closings. I think insurance is going to start to go down. We'll see some of that. Let's talk about the stocks that we watch. I have a new list. Tesla, huge day. Tesla, which used to be our number one stock, is now down to number two below Meridian Bioscience, and I'll tell you why. But we'll talk about Tesla first, even though they're number two right now. Hey, they're up 7% today, 63, pushing in 900 in after hours trading. Out of control. Company of the future. This is why this happens. I said they're going up to 1,000. Guess what I heard on Jim Cramer today? Somebody called in and Jim Cramer's like, Tesla's going to get to 1,000 by the end of the year. Yeah, Jim. Welcome to the party, buddy. You been watching my videos? Because that's exactly what I said. So, yes, boom, boom, boom. Why is Meridian Bioscience above them? Vivo is the ticker symbol. The reason why, they're a small cap and they focus in on something that is in massive demand for the next several months. PCR testing for antibodies and COVID. They have like their good supplier of this, like they have an unlimited demand right now. Yes, unlimited demand. So when you look at their market cap, they're already a profitable company and already doing well. So now all of a sudden it's like, well, they should just shoot up. So I have a target price like 18 on them. Twitter has a good day, up 3%. They're coming back from being, president's got protesters in front of the White House to deal with. You can't deal with Twitter. Microsoft, still hanging around at this 180, doesn't like to go anywhere. Walmart down a little because nobody's paying attention. They're cheap right now. They will continue to go up. I was there today making a purchase just because they were there. Alphabet up a little bit, super strong. Care services, funeral stuff. This is probably going to go off the top 10 list. I can change my price on this. Travel Centers of America, huge day, 7%, 9 seconds left. Like I said, get back to normal. Merck down today, but keep watching for famotidine and Schrodinger. I'll have to do a video on Schrodinger later. So we're up.